Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 29th through September 10th. August 29th to September 2nd. This is what we're forecasting the flow to look like. We have a trough here over the northern U.S. extending from Hudson Bay. Let's see if it can into the northern U.S. We have a ridge here over eastern Canada. And we have a ridge here across the southwest of the western states with above normal heights generally across much of western North America. And then we have this trough that will be approaching the northwest later in the period. Now we'll have a cold front moving through the Ohio Valley and the northeast. And this will cause showers and possibly a few thunderstorms from the Midwest to southern New England. The Central Plains will experience multiple thunderstorm complexes Friday and into Saturday. September 1st to the 5th. The flow remains generally unchanged across the mid-latitudes. We still have our ridge here. But what we are seeing, this trough here over Hudson Bay and the northern states will be gradually lifting out. So you start seeing it lifting to the east. And the models are good agreement with this. You can see we have our strong ridge here over the Four Corners region. So all in all, the models are good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west and for the southeast. And I'm forecasting anomalies and for the mid-Atlantic and the northeast, and I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 8 degrees above normal here in the west, and about 2 degrees above normal elsewhere, and then we'll have below normal temperatures for this region, and I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 2 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and for the southeast, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have below normal temperature or precipitation for the plains. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're looking at the period for September 6th to the 10th. And we have a nearly zone of flow across the northern states. And we have this trough over eastern Canada that continues to lift out. So you watch it gradually lifting out. We have almost a zone of flow across the northern states. Some like this is the European ensembles, has a little bit of a dip here. But all in all, we're expecting near to above normal heights across much of the nation. This trough will be approaching the northwest. You can see it here. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for a large area of the nation. This will be mostly in the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 6 to 12 degrees above normal in the west, and about 4 to 6 degrees above normal here. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the west coast states. Probability of occurrence 35%, and then we have above or near to above normal precipitation for the remainder of the nation, and that's a probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 29th through September 10th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.